So we're going to be talking about some division strategies, and one of those strategies can be the area model. Let's take, for example, that we have a total of 246 tiles, and I want to make a terrace with those tiles. And one side is going to be 2 tiles wide. It's going to be a very narrow terrace. So I can ask myself, how many groups of 2 can I use to get close to 246? Well, I think that 100 groups of 2 can give me 200 tiles. 100 groups of 2 is going to give me 200 tiles. So this is going to be 100 tiles long. Now, if you'll notice, I put 200 inside my terrace. So I'm going to subtract that from the original pile of tiles. Now I have 46 tiles left on the side that I want to place inside my terrace. Okay, so how many groups of 2 can I make to get to 40? So how many groups of 2 gets me to 40? I believe that would be 20 groups of 2. Okay. So out of my 246 tiles, I put 200 in the first section. I put 40 in the next section. So I'm going to get rid of the 40 that I have already used. So let's imagine our construction site. This is a beautiful terrace. I have 6 tiles left on the side. Well, how many groups of 2 can I use to get rid of my 6 tiles? So I need to put 6 tiles here. I need groups of 2, and I know 3 groups of 2 is going to give me 6. So the tiles that were over here, I've now put inside my terrace, so I can subtract that. I don't have any tiles left. So my final answer is going to be 126.